welcome to another trade from Candlelight Trading. This is just one of the trades that we took in the trade room the other day during our open house, as well as the highlighted trade. When we get to the end of the video, you will see the daily profit in a combine that I am trading, as I am trading along with some members in the room who are working a combine to try to get funded. Please take a few seconds first and read the disclaimer, and I hope you enjoy the video. There it is. I am filled at 67. So the first target, like I said, is 63. And yes, I do give these a little bit more room, and you might look at this and say, well, that's an awful risk to reward proportion, but it is because they work, the probability of them working is so high that I'm willing to give them a little bit more room. Here, there was a cluster of sellers right here at this level here, which they did step in, and even at this level here, they pushed in again. So here it comes back down. Okay, nice. Stop on the second one, gets moved to break even, and we're now in a no-lose situation. So nice. So that's why you need to give them a little bit more room. You can see an order flow gives you nice confirmation. I'm going to now move my stop to break even plus 4. Worst case scenario, I'm going to get the 4 that I originally went for. So I'm going to now move stop and hide above these two little sellers right in here. So my stop is going to be at 60. And I don't like this low point of control in these buyers. I'm actually going to protect a little more. I'm going to move my stop down to 57 and protect 10. So at this point, I can continue to trail either bar by bar, or I can trail by these point of controls. Right now my stop is at, and I actually will go to 54 because 54 is the bar stop, and it still puts me just a couple of ticks above that point of control. Okay, I'm out. So not bad. So very nice trade. That puts me up in the combine $410 to pay. So I'm going to be done trading the combine today. That was beautiful. With commissions, it's 380. So these are my trades in the combine today. Didn't take a lot of them. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel so that you'll get new videos as they come out. And also, if you would like to learn more about how I take these trades, please visit www.candlelightTrading.com, and I hope to see you there, and I hope to see you in the trade room. Bye.